Good morning. For CBSE virtual inspection, I would like to give you my introduction. I am Sunita Datta, Principal of Shri Balaji Royal Public School, Ajmer, Rajasthan. It's a great opportunity for me to introduce and show you the overall view of this school. Now let's start showing you the school. He is security guard who maintains records of all the visitors and parents, and in the present time checks the temperature and sanitize everyone. As you can see on my left, this is reception area or front office. These are classroom on both the sides. This is girls washroom. Cleanliness measures are taken strictly. Properly sanitize with washing area. This is boys washroom with separate urinals. A maid is on duty when school is in running condition for helping the students and keeping an eye on them. This is the way to first floor. CCTV camera installed here. This is again girls washroom on first floor with washing area. Boys washroom on first floor with separate urinals, wash basin here, running water, fire safety equipment on first floor. This is mathematics lab. As per your guidance, we have brought certain changes and shifted labs into bigger and spacious rooms with the size 7 by 8 meters. Good morning, ma'am. Good to see you. She is our mathematics teacher. Please, ma'am, introduce yourself.
Welcome to our maths lab. In this lab, we teach the students different concept of maths using these different models, so that they can easily understand concept of maths and help students getting out their fear of maths.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we are moving towards composite lab, which is also shifted in a bigger room with size 8 by 7 meters.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. This is Composite Lab of our school, and I am Vijay Singh Rathore. Here we teach the students about the basic ideas of the science as well as maths department. We teach students about the chemicals used in the physics lab, in the chemistry lab, as well as in the biology lab, as well as about the basic mathematics model which are introduced in the 9th and 10th syllabus of CBSE. Also, we teach students about the chemistry department, about the biological department, about the various charts as well as the diagrams which have been introduced in the CBSE syllabus, about the physics experiments which are in the NCERT books, that is the Ohm's law and various things.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
This is vacant classroom for 11th science with smart board facility, properly furnished with CCTV camera. This is again vacant room for class 11th commerce, well illuminated, ventilated with windows for fresh air to provide healthy atmosphere to the students. Again proposed classroom for 11th arts, well furnished with CCTV camera. CCTV camera immensely helpful to track each and every moment. We displayed all emergency numbers here. This is the way to second floor. Girls washroom on second floor with washing area and with WC facility. Washroom for boys on second floor with separate urinals. This is a school well equipped library which is also shifted in a bigger room with the size 16 by 7 meters. We have kept all records here. This is e-learning zone where students can read all the books which are uploaded in the computers. Students sit here and make good use of their time. Thank you, ma'am. This is geography lab, which is also shifted in a bigger room with size 7 by 8 meters. Thank you, ma'am. This is biology lab. Here we display do or don'ts of labs. Good morning, ma'am. Good to see you. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning everyone. Myself Deepika Garg. My qualification is MSc in Zoology and B.Ed. I am proposed teacher of biology. We have all equipments and the materials for 11th and 12th biology practicals related to like water experiment, pH papers, reagents, different type of microscope, dissecting microscope, compound microscope, blood experiment, soil experiment, mitosis and meiosis slides, permanent slides, different type of museum specimens,
Mask.
models made by junior students, 9th and 10th students. This is excretory system. This is human heart circulatory system. Different apparatus, petri dishes, watch glass, permanent slides. We have stock register. All the things are well mentioned here.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
This is chemistry lab. Here we displayed chemistry lab rules. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself.
Myself Ankita Sen. I am MSc Chemistry and B.Ed. We have well-established chemistry lab so students of 11th and 12th class perform their experiments. Salts which are required for class 11th and 12th experiments are placed here. We have kits apparatus. We have weighing machines. Reagents required for class 11th and 12th are kept here. We make separate slabs so each student can perform their practicals individually. Beakers, volumetric flask, spread lamp, test tubes, all are placed here. Whiteboard is also there, so we can explain practicals to the student in the lab. Exhaust fan is also there, so unpleasant odor from the chemistry lab, especially the smell of the ammonia, it can be removed from the chemistry lab. Extra stock are placed here. We have CCTV camera also, so we can keep eye on the student activities.
Thank you, ma'am. This is physics lab. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Sanjay Tripathi. My qualification is MSc BEd. I am physics teacher in this school. In this physics lab,
Mask
we
lab.
have all the operators for classes 11 and 12, like that to meter breeze,
Mask lab, sir.
potentiometer, Lagrange cell, Daniell cell, this is Ohm's law apparatus, battery charger, again meter breeze, tuning fork with the help of find out the frequency of sonometer. This is optical bench which is find out the focal length of the convex lens, balance speed level. This is electric supply line. These are boards. These are prism, glass slab, vernier calipers, spherometers. These are screw gauge, spring balance. These are some metallic ball of different masses, simple pendulum, single slit experiment, laser light, Coulomb law experiment, PN junction diode, sonometer apparatus, NPN transistor, half deflection method. Some important material in this cover, like that records, practical files, project files. Okay. This is stock register.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, ma'am.
This is computer lab. Sir, please introduce yourself.
हेलो हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग सर. Sir, my name is Amit Parekh. I am working as a computer teacher over here. Any question or?
Thank you, sir. This is sports room. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Please
morning.
introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Leena Rathod. I am a physical teacher. My qualification is BA, MA and BPA.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now we are moving towards sports ground. This is huge playground where students can play badminton, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, and you can say multi-sports ground where students inculcate their physical skills and enjoy in the lap of nature. This is badminton court. This is kabaddi ground. This is cricket net practice place. These are for students exercise. This is a school pakka boundary wall which is 8 feet high on all the sides. This is volleyball court. Students are loved to come here in their sports period. The school total area is 6,206.71 square meter and build-up area is 2,767.30 square meter. I hope that our school has satisfied and fulfilled all your expectations as per CBSE norm. Thank you.